Alright, hey guys, so with race in action last weekend, raining out, the car was ready. It was already loaded up in the trailer, so we haven't had anything to do as far as the race car this week. It's sitting on go. We've been working on our chicken coop. I'll show you that in just a second. But the plan this weekend is to be at Smoky Mountain Speedway. It's just a regular race. I think it pays $1,200 to win, babe. I think it's $1,200 to win. So we'll just be going up there. That's pretty much the only place that's running limiteds this weekend. Sorry, I'm really shaky. It's the only place that's running limiteds this weekend, but even then, we were ready to go to Smoky Mountain. We were going there last weekend and rained out, so we're super excited to get to Smoky Mountain. It's one of Brad's top 5 favorite tracks. So I'm gonna turn it around and show you guys what we've been working on this week. We've been working on this thing every day this week. Brad took off a couple of days, so we've been 8-10 hours a day working on this. So I'm gonna turn it around. All right, so this is what we've been working on. The dirty piece of tin there is the tin that's left over from the roof on our house. And then the chicken coop, it's a cool little thing. It may look rough on the outside, which we're still working on it. We're not finished, got to rebuild a door and stuff like that. But this chicken house was actually a chicken house that his granddaddy used. His granddaddy passed away. His granddad passed away, I think, in 2015 or 14. This thing is old. It's old, 30 plus years old, Brad said. So this is what we're looking like on the inside. It's got everything. It's got the roosting bar. We've got to put a lay-in box and all of that in here. We've still got some work to do in this part of it. We just moved it up because it was down in the lower part of our yard, and down there has a lot of water. So this is what we have been working on this week. Brad calls it the Hilton Garden Inn of chicken houses because we had to go big, but we're super excited to have it done. It's been hot. It's been a lot of work working on this thing. But to begin with, chickens, we started with 8. A couple of them died. We got rid of a couple because we had too many roosters, so we had 3. 2 hens and a rooster, and then I wanted more eggs, so we got more chickens. So now we have 12 total. So we had to build them a little bit bigger chicken coop here than what they're currently in. So I'm gonna show you what they're currently in. Okay, so this is what they're currently in. Brad built this as well. So you got their run, and then of course their coop here. And that opens up to where you can collect eggs. We've got all kinds of Maggie swings and stuff. It also has a solar panel here. See that? And it has some fans going in there so the coop doesn't get entirely too hot. So there's a couple of our chickens. There's one obviously in the coop. All right then. And then we also have some chickens over here. You can see them in that little thing. So we always have to have something to keep us busy at, although as if racing isn't enough, we are minor chicken farmers. So yeah, that's what we've been doing this week. But the plan is to go racing this weekend, Smoky Mountain Speedway. Tomorrow night, Saturday, $1,200 to win, I believe it is. We'll be running limited late model, so if you don't have any plans tomorrow, make your plans to be there. We're ready to get back to racing. We've been off for 2 weeks because of rain outs. Didn't plan on being off for 2 weeks. Had 2 weeks that were pretty big planned. This weekend was supposed to have been Crossville. And then Crossville canceled, or I don't know what the deal with that was, but that race was canceled, so that's the reason we are left looking for somewhere to race this weekend. Limited late models aren't ran everywhere, so sometimes that can be fun to find, but we just wanted to let you guys know what we've been doing, why we haven't put out a video this week. Appreciate all of you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We will catch you at the racetrack tomorrow, Saturday, Smoky Mountain Speedway.